Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by creating your Binance account and finish KYC right away. This unlocks fiat options. Once done, enable 2FA, use Google Authenticator for stronger security, and set a unique password. Next, choose a payment method. Bank transfer for lower fees, card for speed, or P2P to negotiate price. Make sure to check deposit limits and fees before initiating. These are your essential prerequisites and the first actionable steps to move funds into Binance and prepare to buy crypto. Once your funds clear, go to the Buy Crypto or Spot page and pick the market that fits your goal. You can use Convert for one-click swaps, Spot for trading pairs, or OTC for large orders. Choose based on price and slippage. Then pick an order type. Market executes immediately at current price, while limit buys only at your chosen price. Enter the amount or percentage of your balance, review estimated fees and total cost, and consider a small test purchase to verify the flow. After placing the order, confirm execution and view your transaction history to ensure it filled. Then move coins to your Spot wallet or withdraw to a personal wallet for custody. When withdrawing, always check network type and fees. Choose the correct blockchain to avoid loss. If something goes wrong, first check order status and deposit confirmations, then verify KYC and 2FA are active. If deposits are pending, contact support with TZID. If an order failed,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.